Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn about Python commands. So what's the purpose of commands? In any programming languages or in Python specifically, we are using the commands to explain about your code lines. So if you explain about your code lines, it will give an idea to the users to understand about what is going to be executed in these code lines. So it will increase the readability of your codes. So in Python, there are two ways to give your comments. So let's look at the first way to give the comments, which is an easiest way to give the comments in one line. So let's see with an example. So the comments in the first method uh, will be given with the hash symbol, right? So there is a hash symbol. So with this symbol, it will be given, right? Let's say this is a comment, right? And I'm printing something as a code line. Print this this is printed, right? So let's execute this code line and the command and we'll see the result, right? So here you can see that the print function is printed and the command is skipped from the execution. So this is just explaining about the code lines, right? So what you have to understand here is that the commands will not be executed and it will be skipped, right? The commands in this line you can give in this way, or you can explain the each line of the script like this way, right? So in any way, if you give a command with this hash symbol, it will not be executed, right? So this is the one method of giving the commands. Let's say you are going to give the code, commands in multiple lines. How you can write? Think about it, right? Let's say you have this command here, the command one. So you say this is the command one, and you are writing another command as command two. So how you can do this? You can do this with another hash sign in hash symbol in the second line, and you can make it as command two, right? Here, this is one method of giving the commands in single line or multiple line. So in the beginning of each line, you have to give this hash symbol to indicate that this is the command. But this is little annoying if you are writing multiple lines of comments. And there is another way to give the multiple lines of comments in one go, right? So that method is with the triple quotation marks, right? For example, here you want to write the multiple lines of codes, and you are giving some text or comments within the triple quotation marks, right? Here you can see it's starting with triple quotation and ending with triple quotation marks, right? So here I am writing something. This is comment one, comment two, comment three, and I'm printing something. So after this comment, I'm printing something. So here you can see that these multiple lines of comments have been skipped from the execution, and only the print function has been taken for the execution. Great. So what you have to understand from this session is that there are two ways to give the comments. The first way is to give the comments in each line with the hash symbol. And the second method is to give the comments in within the triple quotation marks. So within the triple quotation marks, you can give the comments in the multiple lines without giving the hash symbol at the beginning of each command line or each line, right? So that's the end of this session. See you in another tutorial. Thank you.